Hey, working professionals, let's be honest. Is this your entire month? Looks like in day one you feel rich, and day 10, hey, where is all the money is gone? And day 15 comes and you're checking your bank balance. Better not to check now. And in day 20, you just keep on checking, today is 20th, 10 दिन बाकी है, कब salary आने वाला है. Is this happening with you each and every month? What is the worst part of it? You are not even lazy. You are not even careless. You are doing everything possible right. And you are showing every single day working hard. You are being responsible. But money feels like playing some hide and seek game with you. But here is the real problem. It is not your job. It is not even your salary. It is the fact that your entire life is being funded by one income source, one, check. And that one poor salary is fighting with EMI, rent, bills, expenses, food, groceries, what not. And then one sudden unexpected expenses comes, and yeah, just a small treat of 3,000 rupees, and you feel, oh, 3,000. And in one day you think, if my job chala gaya to, if salary stops, then what will happen? That thought. We all have it, but we hardly speak it loud because it feels very scary. And now you imagine that money comes from multiple direction, from another source. Not very huge, not very no crazy amount of money, but it is enough to fill you. I am not drowning anymore. Yeah, but that changes everything. You do not need to even quit your jobs, or neither you need to become a financial expert in order to do that. You just need only one thing, one proven systems and step by steps framework, step by step guidance by which you can do that. Hey, I am Manas Kepal. I help working professionals to build a second income without doing anything stupid, no risk investment, and no confusing business ideas, just a clear step by step system. That's all. And that's exactly we'll show you inside our 3 days build your second income challenge. In these 3 days, you will learn how you can leverage your skill and make money out of it. Very simple. So if that's resonating with you, then so waiting for. Click the link below and register yourself for 3 days challenge. Let me tell you, once you attend the 3 days challenge, you will say thank you to me. Thank you.